Hi friends, welcome back to the new session. In the previous session, we have discussed about the concept of force and pressure. In this session, we will discuss about the concept of motion and measurements. If you haven't watched my previous video, the link is given in the description below. Please go and watch it. Let us start the session. So, motion and measurement of distance. So in this, first one is standard unit of measurement. There are some standard units of measurements, which is 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. So 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, and the second one is 1 meter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters, and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Let us take one example, like we have a ruler or a scale. So in this we have 5 lines, and after that one big line after 5 lines. So here 1, 2 and some dots, 3. So here this to from this point to this point we will call as 1 millimeter. So in this case 1 millimeter, so from 1 to 2 it will be 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter equal to, here we will have 10 lines, so equal to 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. After that we will have 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters and 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Here we have one note point. Larger unit of length is kilometer. So what is the larger unit of length? That is kilometer. Next, these are some important points, which is first one, SI. SI unit of length is meter. So what is the SI unit of length? It is meters. So what is meant by SI? We can call it as International System of Unit. So the second point, in ancient days, smallest length of measurement used were an angle or muti. So in the ancient days, they are used smallest length as angle or muti. Next point, by using scale or a ruler, we can measure the centimeter and millimeter also. From the ruler, as I said earlier, we can measure the centimeters and millimeter. So next point, by using a tape we can measure meters easily. So using the tape we can measure the meters length. After that, roller tape is used to measure the kilometer. So from the scale or a ruler we can find the centimeter. From the tape we can measure the meters, and roller tape is used to measure the kilometers. And here come to the types of motions. Here we have mainly 3 types of motion. First one is rectilinear motion, second one is circular motion, and third one is periodic motion. In the next slides we will see what is rectilinear, circular and periodical motions. First of all, we will discuss about rectilinear motion. So what is meant by rectilinear motion? Object moving along a straight line. If this is one ground, so here there is one vehicle moving in this direction. So if at some point the vehicle will be going like this in the straight path, so it is rectilinear motion. These are some examples of rectilinear motion, that is motion of vehicle on straight road. So motion of the vehicle on a straight road is called as rectilinear motion. Second point is falling of stone. Falling of stone from the tree or in some distance h from the ground is called as rectilinear motion. And here, what is circular motion? Circular motion is movement of an object along the circumference of the circle or a rotational along a circular path. If we have a circle and if it is rotating in this direction, so in this motion it is called as circular motion. Example for circular motion is a stone which is tied to a rope and is being swung in circle. So other example is an artificial satellite orbiting the earth at constant height. So we can take this example as circular motion. One of the main example is this. We have sun and it is moving in, it's not in circular path, we can take it as elliptical path. So these are two examples of circular motion. Coming to the next motion, periodic motion. What is meant by periodic motion? So periodic motion is an object repeats its motion after some time. This type of motion is called a periodic motion. So one ball, this is ground. So if we throw one ball to the ground, it will go here, here, and it will bounce back to the same position, or else it will, depends upon the force, it will reaches higher points. So after that, earth in its orbit around the sun is a periodic motion. So this is known as periodic motion. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment. Thank you.